Hi everyone, today we are opening a package I got from Magic Wardrobes. The cosplay I got is Racing Miku 2022. From first thing I noticed is the gloves. They are quite cute. I love the color. It's a shiny green and the black. And you can see how the effect. Like, so cool. Okay, this is the first product. The second product is Miku's, I think, hair clips. I'm not really sure how do I put them, but it looks like it's going over here and it got like a little clips, which I won't bother to try to open because I don't want to ruin anything. And the package is so pretty. Okay. It goes here like in a wrapping paper. Okay, this is like the leg. The leg. I think it's kind of big on me, so let's hope it will be okay. And this is like the actual bodysuit. Yes, it is. It's like the same material that like I was taking a pony cosplay, but I'm glad it's like a two-piece. Very nice. You can't wait to wear it. Oh, okay. The cosplay is quite light, so that's a relief. The jacket itself, it's pretty cool. How do I put it? Okay, there's like a... Also, it's quite accessible because I know not a lot of cosplays have like well done scotch. So it's great to see a scotch that looks pretty good on a cosplay. There's a room for the bed. Sorry about my messy room, but this is the full cosplay. I'm yet to style a wig for Miku. Oh my god. But this is how it looks so far. I feel like a quirky astronaut. But like, it's super comfy. It's two-piece. And like the jacket is so good, like the quality of everything here, like no velvet at all and stuff, it looks very amazing. Thank you so much Magic Wardrobe for like sending this cosplay to me, and thank you for watching.